Afternoons with Helen Farmer on Dubai Eye 103.8.
Recent studies have unveiled some pretty alarming insight into the pervasive presence of microplastics in our daily lives. Notably, research indicates that chewing gum can release hundreds to thousands of microplastic particles into our mouth during the initial minutes of chewing. So raising concerns then about the potential health implications of ingestion and where they're coming from. Now, this is Dietitian Cynthia BouKhalil from Medcare DrSaeed AlShaikh Gastro and Obesity Centre explaining.
So in the study you are talking about today, it talks about the chewing gum. It's new, checking the amount of microplastic and nanoplastics found in chewing gum. So the study tested people that's chewing more than an hour, their chewing gum. They took the saliva and then they tested it after 20, 40 and more. And they checked that there's a lot of small plastic particles found in the saliva. And these particles really affect our health on the long term. These microplastics are around 5 millimeters in size, and the nano are even smaller, and they're more dangerous because they can easily penetrate our body, penetrate our membranes, and they can have a potential damage to cause deeper biological problems and effects. So how we can find them in the environment, and this is due to the overuse of plastic in the world, and we are not using them in the proper way, so we have lots of residues. So the plastic pollution, the waste, the bottles, everything coming from the consumers, the industrial as well. Industrial process can cause some release of these particles in the air, in the water and the soil, and the agriculture as well when you use some kinds of fertilizers and waste. So all of this can affect us and affect the environment where the animals can ingest them, then the human can eat the animals or eat the plants, and this is how it is also transmitted to the water and to the seafood. That's why talking about something as simple as chewing gum, we can just decrease the amount of chewing gum or just chew less than an hour. But overall in the environment, what we can do is that use less plastic, use more biodegradable plastics at home, as well as have a good waste management.
Cynthia BouKhalil here now, and we are delving deeper into this with Aman.